Hey everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. This week, let's focus on Grafana. Okay, strong code review workflow. Okay, wow. So 75% of PRs come from community contributors. That's a really impressive number for such a mature project. Something really interesting here. Bot activity is about 5%, meaning 5% of repo events are coming from bots. So it's a little bit low of a number. So maybe Grafana is still focusing on the human aspect of the development process. And look at that coverage. Look at that review merge rate. 99% of PRs get reviewed before merging. That's a strong commitment to some good code quality. And the review times are good too. 45% of PRs are reviewed within the hour and 83% of PRs are reviewed within 1 day. So still a lot faster of a timeline, and it's a good balance of thoroughness and responsiveness. So I also wanted to compare Grafana to Kibana, one of their top competitors. And if you're ever curious about comparing any other open source projects in collab.dev, feel free to just go around to the comparisons page. Interesting. So Kibana has a little bit higher of a community contribution area. They are at 84% compared to Grafana's 75%. But Grafana has a much more active core team if you think about it. 25% of PRs come from the core team versus Kibana's 9%. Wow, very cool. Similar review merge rates, very strong workflows. Oh, but this is super cool. So their turnaround time is 13 seconds versus the 2 hours that Grafana does. And 70% of their PRs get reviewed within the hour. Not to mention about the same amount of PRs get reviewed within the day. So their turnaround time is a lot faster. So that's super cool. But yeah, if you are interested in any data visualization projects or interested in contributing to any data visualization projects, both projects are very strong in community contribution. Definitely check out Grafana or even Kibana if you're interested. But that's it for Project of the Week. Have a good rest of your weekend, and we'll see you next week.